What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the no sound issue from external speakers issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all check the volume settings. So you can check it from quick settings panel, or you can go to settings app. Scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and from here select sound and then tap on system sound. Now increase the system sound and then tap on volume and increase the volume sound. So after doing this, the speakers will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue after adjusting the volume settings, then the second solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon. So when you will tap on this restart icon here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone will fix small software glitches like no sound from external speakers. Now after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then maybe it's a in-app issue. So to fix the app issue, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now click on this three dot more icon, and from here tap on reset app preferences. Now from here again tap on reset to confirm. So when you will tap on reset option here, it will reset all the apps preferences, and after resetting the app preferences, it will fix the no sound issue from external speakers. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.